Christchurch earthquake. Kids playing in a fault line crack. It's just incredible. You guys can't probably appreciate how massive it is. It's amazing. And it's getting a beautiful day though in Christchurch. Absolutely stunning. These houses are all stuffed. You can see the fault lines going into there, straight in through the houses. Asher, what did you think of the earthquake?
Oh, it's massive and scary and cool and like awesome because no heaps of days of school, so.
Joel, what did you think of the earthquake? Hard to impress these boys, a natural disaster and they're like, whatever. But no one killed, so all's well that ends well.
Don't drop that in.
Oh, you can too. You can see the water under there.
Can you? I can.
Yeah.
I can't.
Just be careful, guys.
Let's drop rocks.
Over and out from Christchurch.